Me been making one blood neck. Now me been asking Molsem, please enough government he look away. Now give him all get a province block grant now all by look at him all yet.
Papua New Guinea is a highly diversified country, and that's why we recommended a decentralized system of government. The CPC was at the cutting edge of democratization and good governance. Provinces are not the same, different languages, different cultures, and if you just have one government, then you are excluding the majority of the people in the process of governance, process of government. And that's why we recommended, in order to create a nation, you must create a community comprising of these highly diversified people, because they have the experience of participating in their own provincial governments, and that way they feel they would develop a commitment. Right now, we only have one government. In fact, the provincial governments which have been emasculated in 1995, Mr. Julius Shen was the Prime Minister. The current provincial government has absolutely no power. They're just an extension of the highly centralized government. And in this sense, we have come full circle. This is what Somali fought against. We didn't want highly powerful, highly centralized government in Konedobu determining everything for Wewak or for islands or for the provinces. So I think one of the biggest mistakes, if we want to sort out Papua New Guinea, we have to bring back the decentralized system of government. Yeah. People must participate in the process of governance and in the process of development.
Now yet misanap live blue bla mi can talking with straight osem. Time inogat power long Isipik. Time inogat power long New Island. That's why national government responsibility no mi provincial government. Time police no making work blong good. Na inogat law and order. Lo one province inside lo this country. That's why responsibility blong mi provincial government. Any national government responsibility. Time all main highway na roti bagarap long Isipik o bagarap long Simbu o go good long Kainapol sem central province o igolo bulolo. That's why responsibility blo national government. Responsibility blo provincial government. Sing out blo mi lo block grant. Suppose you mean up lo strong all province. That's la 22 bla lake blo country. Then country by sanap strong, people by sanap strong. Now yet mi sanap lai blo yupla. Last year budget, national government broke him 16% emigolong all province. 16%. 1/6. 84% emistap lo han blo national government. Sing out blo mi emolsem. National government must give him at least 40% igolo all get the province. Yet can hold him 60%. All he can round overseas, so some all ministers I make him all get the time. All he can go na sleep hotel overseas country, kiss him travel allowance, all he can kai 60%. 40% must go back. Lo people, lo Papua New Guinea. Me no bell heavy lo government lo want him something. Me struggle lo isipik na stop. All get a governor me plus struggle na stop. All get the resources and national government as also hold him. Me plus stop also beggar man ba me plus go cry piney mall minister round. Minister amamas lo you and by giving me one bla legally money lo you carry him go back. Inon up lo finish him walk to. Heavy and me plus province karim. Me like him senis. Me come me mangal straight lo how you blow New Island is stop. Last 2 bla day. Me kisim planti good bla ting. Na me talk him administrator blo province me talk. By me sali one bla liglig team me come back na by me line him sample something lo people blo New Island. Na carry me go back na you me too must make him lo sipik. Me bla sipik too he got some bla good bla something he stop. You bla people blo New Island he can come na line him lo me bla too. All get a province he got good bla something he stop. You me need lo kiss him. That's all before lo me come up you me need lo strong him all province. Na strong him all people he stop lo hap. Me say talk also, why? Now all get a prime minister is a poret. Suppose one bla province is strong. You bla poret him one em. Suppose New Island em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Simbu em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Morobe em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Central Province em is strong. Western Province em is strong. Suppose all get a province em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by go good. This la me no talk against lo government. Em true bla talk me talk because you bla ogera save em talk istablo belblo bla. Suppose one bla member or one bla prime minister em pilim pen lo talk blo me. All right, you send him. No ken pilim pen na targeti man tasol. Des bla pen em blo Papua New Guinea no blo me Allan Bird. Des bla cry no blo me Allan Bird. Em cry blo Papua New Guinea.